Hi guys, welcome back to the 401 Files. My name is Ben. I create content here on the 401 Files, and coming up on this video, I've got something really creepy. Just a quick heads up, this is quite disturbing. A few of you here, if you are easily offended or disturbed, may want to click past this one. Now, it's not visually disturbing, but this is some audio that people might find, well, disturbing. Now, I'm going to leave it down to you guys as to what you believe. I've already got kind of an opinion, so I will be sharing it with you guys, so stick around for that. But without further ado, let's dive straight into this creepy footage. Holy bejesus, what the hell was that? This was insane. Now, was this some kind of a weird woman tripping balls out in the woods? Some kind of witchcraft ceremony gone wrong? Who knows what this was? To me, I'm going to be openly honest, I think this is a big cat. Only because I've heard cats outside my house fighting domestic small cats, and I also know that things like cougars and bobcats, other animals of that size, do make noises and screaming sounds that are disturbing like this. So I'm thinking that it's a big cat at this point right now. But don't always take my word for it. You guys that live out there in these places, I've heard these cats. Does this sound like that to you? If it does, that ticks the box of this being a big cat. I don't live there. I've never heard big cats out in the wild making these sounds, but I do know that big cats make very freaky noises when fighting or protecting territory. So I'm going to let you guys be the judges as always. That is kind of where I'm at the minute with this piece of footage. But either way, scrap any of what I just said. If it is a big cat or if it is some kind of psychopathic woman on the loose, who knows what this is. But regardless of any of that, if you're one of these guys logging in that area and you're stood on this piece of machinery listening out at that noise in the woods, it's very, very creepy, regardless of what it is. And if you never find out what it is, then even more so, because you're always left thinking, what if? Like, okay, I get that this might be a big cat. I get that big cats make creepy, disturbing noises like this, but did I see a big cat? No. It's like me. I heard a few years back a fox screaming here in the UK in the middle of the forest. I will put a little video in right now so you guys can hear that. But can you hear that? Wow. But it creeped the hell out of me, and yeah, I knew what it was. But in the back of your mind, you've always got this niggly thing saying, but was it? Was it? Was it, Ben? So just for good measure, I'm going to stick that footage in again, and I want you to put yourself in the shoes of these construction workers or these loggers here on this piece of machinery, and just think to yourself, what the hell is this, and how would I feel should I ever hear that out in the woods? Now, I can't lie, when I first heard this, the first opening few seconds, all I wanted to do was go, wow, I feel good. But that James Brown tick soon subsided, and images conjured up in my head of this dirty old hag scrambling across the floor with sharp nails and long hair covering her face. I have no real life experience with what a big cat sounds like, so yes, I'm thinking right now that this is a big cat. Only because my logical side of the brain is saying this is what big cats do, these are the sounds they make when they're being territorial or they're in some kind of a domestic fight. Now let me put this to you guys, right? We don't know anything about Bigfoot. We know what stories come forward and what the details in those stories are from hunters, etc. But we don't really know anything solid about a Bigfoot. Do you think that these would make similar sounds? Like, do they imitate similar sounds? A lot of people say that Bigfoot can imitate the sounds of birds and other wildlife. So do you think that's possible? That's a question. I'm not suggesting this is Bigfoot in any way, shape or form. I'm just saying, do you think that if there is a Bigfoot and he is super advanced and intelligent, that he would be able to mimic the sounds of other wildlife around him? Thought-provoking. But you guys that live out in Canada, that live out in the US, please do comment below. You guys live amongst these animals. Let me know, is this a cat or is this like something you've never heard before? If that is the case, then I'm likely to never go camping again, so lie to me. Whatever this is, guys, I thought that you would all really enjoy this and have much to say on this video, so please do feel free, drop down in the comments box below. That's what it's there for. Start talking amongst yourselves and let me know, especially you guys that do live out in these wilderness remote areas amongst big cats, is that what we're looking at here, or is this some kind of escapee from a mental asylum? I have no idea, but my hunch tells me that this is a big cat. I'm sure that you guys will drop down in the comments box below and bring me up to speed, shed some light on this video. But yeah, I thought you guys would enjoy it. Until next time, guys, take it easy, stay safe, look after yourselves wherever you are in the world, and until next time, you will see me back here on the next one.
Yeah.